Sometimes the most powerful move is no move at all. This video is your quiet rebellion. In the next few minutes, you will learn how to stay silent when the noise outside tries to pull you in. You will understand why silence is not weakness, but wisdom. Then you will discover how cutting all contacts is not isolation. It is protection. Not everyone deserves access to your energy. You will see how disconnecting can reconnect you with yourself. And finally, you will learn how to rebuild in silence. How to grow in the dark, where no one is watching. This is not just a video. It is a blueprint for reclaiming your peace. Let's begin. Stay silent. Silence is the strongest scream. Your silence would disturb them more than your words ever could. Be silent. Only speak when your words are more powerful than your silence. In silence, you hear truth. Loud minds are drawn to quiet strength. Speak only if it improves the silence. Real ones observe in silence and move without warning. Let your silence question their entire existence. Stay silent. Let results speak. Silence cuts deeper than anger. Never explain yourself. Real people do not need it. The calmest people have faced the loudest storms. Silence is how the wise protect their energy. Not responding is a response. Power lies in patience. Silence holds it. You do not owe chaos a reaction. Be silent. Observe. Decide. Move. A lion does not respond to barking dogs. Emotions fade in silence. Silence teaches. Noise distracts. Revenge? No. I prefer peace. Silence humbles egos. You grow when you stop speaking to be understood. Choose silence over proving a point. Stay low until you are unmissable. Peace begins where silence lives. Observe silently. Strike loudly. Silence reveals character. Quiet is a shield for the focused. Not every action deserves your reaction. You do not have to respond to everything. Cut all contacts. Sometimes the best response is no response. Cutting ties is growth, not hate. Not everyone is meant to stay in your life forever. If they disturb your peace, distance is healing. Energy is precious. Guard it. You do not need to explain why you are unavailable. Growth demands separation. Stop watering dead connections. Silence and distance expose real intentions. You do not owe anyone your presence. Let them wonder why you disappeared. Stop reopening doors that lead to the same pain. Walking away is self-respect. You outgrow people when you grow within. If they drain you, unplug them. Letting go is freedom, not loss. Protect your space like your life depends on it. Not everyone deserves a response from your healed self. Disconnect from people who keep you in survival mode. Loyalty has limits. Betrayal defines them. Growth is lonely because the path is yours alone. Do not fear losing people. Fear losing yourself. Set boundaries that do not require debate. Some people only come close to break you. Save your energy for people who water your soul. Disappear from what dims your light. You cannot heal around what broke you. Walk away silently and never look back. You do not need closure. You need peace. Say less. Walk away more. Rebuild in silence. Grow so silently that no one knows until it's too late. Heal privately. Come back legendary. Let your progress make the noise. Move in silence until success echoes. Quiet rebuilding is loud transformation. Do not show them. Show yourself. Your best version will be born in isolation. Fall off the radar. Rise with purpose. Peace is your new power. Rebuild so well that your silence becomes a standard. Some victories do not need to be shared. Not all storms are loud. Some rebuild you quietly. Focused silence builds unstoppable strength. You are not behind. You are becoming. Reset, rebuild, re-emerge. Disappear for discipline. Return with dominance. Grow without applause. Plant in silence. Harvest in peace. The world doesn't need your updates. It needs your results. Protect your peace at all costs. Reinvention begins where noise ends. The grind is quiet. The shine is loud. Cut access. Keep the vision. Let silence be your secret weapon. They will notice when you no longer need to be noticed. Power is being unseen until you decide otherwise. The real flex is healing without announcing it. Comeback stories are written in solitude. Peace does not need permission. Give yourself the silence you once begged from others. The quietest seasons produce the loudest results. Speak less, build more. Your silence is working. Keep going. You are not lost. You are quietly finding yourself.